and welcome to the Three Crazy Sisters. So today I'm gonna be by myself and I'm going to be surprising my sisters with these cake pops. So what you'll need is you need some cake mix, any flavor, and you need a blender, you need some water, 4 eggs, vegetable oil, you'll need and sprinkles and frosting's optional, and you'll need something to cook the cake pops in. So what you first want to do is you first want to pour your cake mix into the thing you're cooking. So then next what you'll want to do is you'll want to put in the cup of some water. And after you need to put in some vegetable oil. And you'll of course need your 4 eggs. So after that, what you want to do is you want to cook it in the blender. Put it down on it. It's looking good. Now. Okay, so now the batter is done. So now we need to pour it in. Oh my gosh, this is gonna get messy. Oh.
That's okay.
I made a mess.
It's okay, I will clean it up.
We put it all in. It's time to wait till it is ready.
You have to wait for how much time? 5 minutes?
We have to wait for 5 whole minutes. Okay guys, so we are gonna check if the cake pops are now ready. Are they ready? No, but I'm not sure if they're ready. Nope, they're not ready. But so if you're joining along with us, you might be thinking, there's a bunch of batter left. What should I do with it? Should I just eat it? Well, no, you shouldn't. You should make something else. Like we made some cake, which is back there. So you can make some cakes. You can make cupcakes, which is right here. And so some are cooking right now.
No, it's not cooking. You are going to put there.
So we're going to put it. Okay, so now they're ready. So now it's time to frost them. Okay, this is gonna be our first cake pop. I am super duper excited. Okay. Time. Okay. I'm gonna put some. Okay. I'm gonna put some sprinkles. Okay, I'm gonna put the sprinkles in the plate just in case some little sprinkles fall. Okay, time to try it. They taste amazing. Zara, Yusra, come on! Why? I have something for you, come on! Zara, come on. Yusra, can I take a picture? No. I put some evil ingredients, just kidding. I made some cupcakes and cake pops for you. Put your cake pops on your sticks. Without us? And frost them with the frosting and put some sprinkles.
This looks yummy.
thank you. You're welcome. And there's cupcakes too and cake back there. Okay, I need another one. I want to try. Why'd you make it? I'm gonna take this height. Whatever. I have it. This cake pop looks like a hat. Wait, now I need it. Is there any sprinkles? Huh? Right there. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, everyone, I'm glad that you learned that cake pops are the most amazing dessert in the world. Okay, now that's it for our video today. We hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. 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 Thank you for watching.